is born as a child. We all know that smile of a child is the purest and most genuine form of joy because we all consider a child as the face of God. William Wordsworth has wisely said that child is the father of man because children all over the world are the future of mankind. But when we add the word labor with it, the dark face, horrifying reality of our society comes out without understanding the sound of silence, cry of innocence and the fact of invisibility. Hello everyone, this is Himnish and now I am going to express the words given by none other than Mr. Kailash Satyarthi, Nobel Peace Prize laureate and children's rights activist. The words delivered by him is really heart-melting as he has showed the reality of the children who are left behind. He has not only looked into their frightened and exhausted eyes, but he has also explained that there is no greater violence than to deny the dreams of the children. Acceptably, there is no definition of child labor. But speaking of a work done by a child under the age of 14 years is said to be child labor. India is a home to 1/5 of the world's children, but still, most of the child labors arise from India only at a high speed. Estimatedly, there are 17 million child labors, which means that 17 million seats are vacant in schools. Children are employed by the producers at minimal wages, which make them susceptible to violence and unjust activities. Children are paid minimal wages and are forced to work for maximum hours in a day. Child labor is socially, morally, physically and mentally harmful for a child, as it is the exploitation of innocent minds and bodies, stifling their potential and robbing them to their childhood. In my view, there may be various reasons for a child labor such as poverty, professional needs, previous debts, addiction, diseases, disabilities and overall poor compliance of laws. As Mahatma Gandhi once said that there is no beauty in the finest cloth if it gives hunger and unhappiness. Child labor is a grave violation of human rights. So it is our solemn duty to protect the lives of the vulnerable children and should strive to create a world where each and every child can grow with safety and dignity. Only then we can truly claim to be the champions of justice and equality for all. We all should agree with the declaration made by Kailash Satyarthi that child's life means simplicity. Look the world with a child's eye. It is very beautiful. This quote truly resonates with me as it shows the significance of letting children grow and experience their childhood. Through my declamation, I hope to shed light on the adversities which these young souls face daily and emphasize the urgency for its eradication worldwide. So it is crucial that we come together as a global community and strive towards giving our future generation opportunities and education instead of making them do laborious tasks prematurely. I am going to sum up my speech here, but before I end, I have a question for you all. Tell me, is the world so poor that cannot give a child a toy or a book? With these words of mine, I am going to sum up my declamation here. Thank you for listening to me with such enthusiasm and consistency. I really appreciate you. Thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.